Hello everyone, this is Renuka Verma. I am from Nagpur and recently I joined the Manoj Gupta sir 21 Day Challenge Crash course. And friend, trust me, it's a life-changing opportunity. Although I'm not so much technical person, but I'm always curious to learn about the new thing. When I saw the ChatGPT and AI tool in the package, I enrolled myself. And here I learned the how you should give the proper prompt to the ChatGPT to get the proper answer, and uses of so many AI tools in your work. And the biggest appreciation I got during the class from my daughter. She stays in Netherlands, and I sent a newsletter to her and other subscriber, and I got the phone call, and she said, "Mama, I got your newsletter. It was written so professionally, and I would love to get your newsletter every week." So thank you so much, Manoj sir, for making me more proud and making me more confident. So being a mother, it was a great appreciation I got from my daughter just because of you. So thank you so much, sir.